A new feature that I'm going to talk about is dynamic auto theming. So for leaders who have experience with ThoughtExchange, we have AI generated themes. What we're now doing is they generate automatically. So once 6 thoughts come into your exchange, a theme set will begin to generate. Once another 5 thoughts come in, it'll regenerate. So it, in essence, generates in real time as the conversation shifts and changes. If you're in this dashboard and you're looking at bars or any of the visualizations, you just have to click refresh as new thoughts are coming in to see that updated visualization. Now, if it's looking like a really great theme set that you would like to share out, what you have to do for this release is just head over again to that theme tab. Select auto theme to make a copy of that AI generated theme, and then you have the ability to share it out in any of our summary reports, and as well comment on the themes. And in the future, we're going to give you an option to just duplicate it. But for now, again, just click that auto theme button and you can share that theme right out.